As the sun sets behind the horizon, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Concept appears silent yet commanding, a vision of automotive artistry that transcends the ordinary. It's not just a car, it's a statement of speed, power, and unparalleled engineering. With every curve and angle, it's clear that this concept isn't designed just to drive, it's built to captivate. The exterior is a breathtaking fusion of form and function. The aggressive front grille, flanked by sleek, sharp LED headlights, hints at the raw power beneath the surface. Sculpted air intakes line the lower fascia, feeding the twin turbocharged V10 engine with the air it craves to unleash performance. The body, a combination of lightweight carbon fiber and flowing, aerodynamic lines, glides effortlessly through the air, reducing drag while exuding the iconic Lamborghini presence. Its striking, Y-shaped rear taillights and dual exhausts are a bold testament to the design philosophy, with every element working in harmony to deliver a visually stunning masterpiece. On the road, the Huracan Concept doesn't simply stand out, it owns the streets, demanding attention wherever it goes. Inside, the Huracan Concept is a sanctuary for those who appreciate craftsmanship and exclusivity. The cockpit feels like the interior of a fighter jet, with a driver-focused layout that puts every control within easy reach. The center console, adorned with premium leather and carbon fiber accents, showcases Lamborghini's commitment to luxury and innovation. The racing-inspired seats, upholstered in fine Alcantara, provide a snug, comfortable fit, allowing you to feel the car's every movement as if you were one with the machine. Ambient lighting casts a soft glow throughout the cabin, creating an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and exciting. A panoramic roof option allows you to take in the world above, while customizable trim options ensure that every Huracan Concept is unique to its owner. Under the hood, the Huracan Concept is all about power and performance. The 5.2-liter V10 engine, paired with a hybrid powertrain, delivers a staggering 800 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, while the dynamic torque vectoring system allows for razor-sharp cornering precision. Every press of the accelerator delivers an exhilarating surge of power, while the lightweight construction ensures that the Huracan Concept maintains perfect balance and handling. This car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about the thrill of the drive, the rush of adrenaline as you carve through tight corners and open highways with equal ease. With advanced suspension systems and an active aerodynamics package, the Huracan Concept adapts to various driving conditions. Whether navigating the racetrack or taking on twisty mountain roads, this car provides a driving experience that's both engaging and responsive. And while performance is at the heart of the Huracan, Lamborghini hasn't neglected eco-conscious buyers. The hybrid powertrain offers a more sustainable solution, without compromising the exhilarating performance that defines the brand. Inside, the technology is as cutting-edge as the car itself. A fully digital instrument cluster displays vital information with crystal-clear clarity, while the infotainment system integrates seamlessly with your smartphone for hands-free connectivity. Advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensure that driving this high-performance machine remains a safe and enjoyable experience. In the hyper-luxury sports car market, the Huracan Concept stands apart from competitors like the Ferrari F8 Tributo and McLaren 720S. Its combination of stunning design, blistering performance, and groundbreaking technology sets a new benchmark for what a supercar can be. It's not just about speed, it's about the entire experience, the feeling of control, luxury, and ultimate power. Imagine yourself in the driver's seat, gripping the wheel of this automotive marvel. The roar of the engine, the sleek design, the cutting-edge technology, it all comes together to create an experience like no other. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Concept isn't just a car, it's a dream made reality. Visit your nearest Lamborghini dealer to experience the future of driving and take the first step toward making this masterpiece your own. The road awaits, and the Huracan Concept is ready to take you there.